Hi, another pool update video. Mrs. EV Blog is off camera here installing some plants and all the what are these plants, Mrs. EV Blog?
Dichondra repens.
Dichondra
Repens?
repens. Dichondra repens. There you go. For all you plant aficionados, she's going to, and they're ground cover, are they? Just ground cover, and they're suitable for salty water type environments, because yes, this will be a saltwater pool, and it's just been acid washed today, but I am shooting this in the rain. It has rained, so it's actually ready to be coated. So as soon as it's signed off, it's ready to go. And check it out, we have our pump's been installed. Apparently it's finished, there's no issues. It's got to be electrically connected, yeah, but apart from that, it's it's finished. I have not opened it yet. I just got back, and look at this. Winner, chicken dinner. So this is our, of course, this is where our outdoor, this is where our heat pump will be. It's not inside there, because it's got its own weather enclosure. How do we operate this? Oh, there we go. Like that. And, oh, ta-da! Look at that. Whoa! Look at that. We've got an AstralPool Viron equilibrium. There you go. I don't know. Leave it in the comments down below if you've got one of these. But yes, the electricals, we've got to install the power points and everything up the back there. But apart from that, that there's not connected. I'm not sure what that does. And check out this. Wow. This is the giant filter, and there's a big rotating thing. It's got backwash, close, waste, filter, rinse, and recirculate. Has he explained how this works yet? No. Okay, right, we will get instruction. Genuine Canon toner cartridge. I'm sure it doesn't require a toner cartridge, that's just all extra bits. So there's a pump under here somewhere. Hang on, let me get all this out. And there you go. So there's our LED transformers. There you go. So they're for our lights. So they just plug in, of course. Nothing fancy. So there's our pump down there. And so you can see this is all acoustic foam on the inside, because the Gumnet, they have all sorts of regulations for that sort of stuff. So yeah, a few things not. Couple of pipes not hooked up yet, I guess. Oh, that'd be for the heat pump has to all go into it as well. So yeah, I guess once we do the heat pump, that will be installed on the outside, and we will connect those up. But that, I guess, will be done as the very last step, I'm assuming. And that's maybe why some extra parts and stuff in here. But there you go. I have no idea. I'm not a pool person, never had one before. Have no idea what we have to do to maintain it, but I like this big black orb. Look at this. It's just magic. Does this door opens? Surely. No? Oh yeah, it does. Look at that. Oh, Bobby Dazzler. There you go. And serial number 50,028. There you go. It's the APV. I'm not sure which one it is. It's one of those models there. And tank diameter, filter, etc. So that's pressurized. So it's really impressive. I thought it was just a pump, but this thing is absolutely enormous. Whoa. So this acoustic box is, oh, there we are, lifts up. Okay, lifts up and into there. That's pretty groovy. I like that box. Look at it, it's got gas struts and everything. Oh, it's just Bobby Dazzler. Look at that. Beautiful. So, I assume it shuts. Yeah, it shuts. Hang on. Gotta put that back under. No. Back under there like that. There you go. And I assume that's screwed down. But, yeah, there you go. So, just got the heat pump left. And we did get the gas struts, so I'm going to install those now for the pool cover, but I have to finish installing that tomorrow. But yeah, certifier I think is coming in a couple of days. So we will have this certified, and once it's certified, boom, you instantly put the coat on and then you fill it the next day. So yeah, it could be less than a week away from jumping into this thing. Anyway, that's the update. Catch you next time.